Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Muhammad Isa. Abdul is my best buddy. And today I am here to celebrate and congratulate on his big achievement, Quran. I want to say a few words for him. He is very kind and intelligent, mashallah. Even though we don't see each other often, but we still hold a strong bond. And we have many common interests. Congratulations, Abdul. You did it. I'm so proud to have a friend like you. May you keep spreading the light of the Quran everywhere you go. Oh Allah, have mercy on us with the Quran and make it a guide for us, a light, guidance and mercy. Oh Allah, remind us of what we forgot and teach us of it when I was ignorant of it, and grant us His reaction during the hours of the night and the end of the days. Make it a proof for us. Thanks.